Okay guys, let me just show you what gave me my bias to the trade. I'll make this quick. So firstly, sorry about the micro, I beg. Okay, so what happened was firstly I was looking to scalp this on and for scalping I majorly use the 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. So what happened was that I found this setup here. I just opened the chart and then saw that we had a lot of liquidity because yeah, there were lots of price action days before and hours before, so I knew that yeah, there's money in the market waiting to be taken out. So what happened was that I noted these areas of equal highs, relative equal highs, and these equal highs here. So firstly, once noted this, I came to my Twitter. I sent a screenshot to my Twitter. Then I remember asking, yeah. So where was it? Media. Don't know. I remember asking this. I remember asking. Oh wait, let me scroll down a bit. I remember asking then just 23 hours ago. I remember asking, what do you see from this? So here's the chart then, as at that time, as at 9:39 yesterday. So this was it. I saw these areas of relative equal highs, equal lows waiting to be taken out, improper price action, IPE, a breakup structure. So yeah, I don't want to go into details now. I'm just showing you my bias for the trade. So what happened was once I saw this, I knew that okay, this is a process, this is a model to like take liquidity out of the market, like stop hunt a lot of people. So what happened was previously I sent I don't want to go too far. I think I just quoted it. Previously I sent two images showing you how the markets are manipulated and how price works. Remember this, I sent this when was the day, just September 5, just 4 days ago, 6 p.m. So I sent this chart. I just drew it with my hand on my phone. I sent this where we have a price move like this, down, move down, a little spring up, where then it breaks the line, takes out liquidity, comes down, moves like this, and then goes down. And then here too, this same thing inverted too. So this place like where we have like, okay, let's say this, now we can call it a level of resistance. Okay, then we have this okay, this is like a breakout block, but I don't want to go into details. So then we have this stop hunt. Okay, it takes out a lot of sellers at this area, so it stops them out, then goes down again, so it takes out buy side liquidity. So I didn't know that the same price action was going to replicate itself on BTC. So I asked this. I was anticipating it here because I knew it. If you look, okay, let me zoom. Let me make it bolder. If you look at it, this is the same. That's the same model here. You have first touch, second touch, down. Then relative equal lows were created. We also had lows here that were waiting to be taken out. So upon the creation of these lows, I knew that okay, we were going to smash through them and then most likely come into this area of imbalance here. So but I knew that before we came down, we were going to stop out a lot of sellers at this point, at this resistance zone. So that was what happened exactly as planned. So this, remember I said in this area we're going to have an area of we're going to stop we're going to stop out like this place. Remember I said price will move like this, come down, move like this, make a small move, come down, then move up, break a line, this line here, then come down. So yeah, that's what happened here. That's what happened here. Yeah, so I had my entry here. So I did not enter straight up. You see, we had this area, one, two, that small move up, comes down, then break above. You see, I put my magnet there. I had the magnet there already. So I knew we were going to break this area, break it, a break above it. That is, it will take out a lot of people who are selling here, who have their stop losses here. So to hit their stop loss, come down, clear this area of liquidity where we have equal lows. Remember, I marked them out. This mark out, so, and then this area of imbalance. Though it didn't come into it fully, but the tip was actually enough. Came to the tip, bounced off. Then I waited for a retest in order to have an entry. So once price retested, it was like a return to origin. So once price retested, I already had my limit there, so sell limit. So it took me straight up and then down. So it was from this moment I started sharing the setup to the group. So you can see price started dropping, and yeah, the pain. Price came down. Though this was a screenshot from my phone, not my PC. So I was with my phone as at this time. I was not on my PC, so I used my phone to drop this update. So it looks somehow choppy. So price came down, like missed my my target by few, by few. How do I measure it now? Shall I say pips? I don't want to say pips here, but just by a few sats. See, very very tiny. Price missed it, very tiny, and then went up. But I was still with my bias that okay, we're still going to hit this area and then take out liquidity here. I knew that okay, we had an area of equals again that was going to be taken out, and yeah, price came down, and then yeah, price came down, and yeah, took um took gave me my profits. So a re-entry here. So at this point again, this is an area of demand where price rejected off and then pushed upwards. So that was what I was referring to when I was talking about OB. But don't worry, Sha, that's I'll talk about that another day. But you guys now see my bias for entering the trade right from the start to finish. Everything was sent. The whole market is engineered, okay? So there's nothing new in the market. It's just a repetition. It's a repetition. Move one, two, one, two, small move up. A break comes down. Like it shifts the market structure. Then an impulsive move again. So yeah, we have that here. Exactly one, two, small move up. A break. Yeah, then shifts the market structure again. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys actually understand it. So like I said, sorry for my Michael, I beg, but I hope you actually understand this. You can ask more questions to do. I'll answer you. So bye, guys.